So like you have an app idea. Maybe it's the next Uber, maybe it's a social media site for your community, maybe you just want to digitalize your business. But see, starting an app can cost a lot of money, from thousands of dollars all the way to tens of thousands of dollars, and that's just for a working prototype. But what if I told you could build your own app with no stress, no team, and no coding for as little as $0? And in today's video, I'm going to break down exactly 3 websites I found that you could create your own applications with. I'm going to walk through each one, not step by step, but I'll walk through each one and show exactly what they offer, what's the best apps you can make with each of these, and how you can even start today, right now. Let's get to it. Let's begin with AppyPie, one of the most beginner-friendly, no-coding, web-based platforms. AppyPie is designed for simplicity. It's perfect for people who've never built an app before, but need something fast and functional. You start by naming your app, putting a brief description in, and then choosing categories like business, health, education, social media, etc. Then you select from a wide range of templates, and from there you just start dragging and dropping, like appointment bookings, push notifications, maps, customer reviews, payment integration, and more. It's very visual and everything is previewed real time as you build. AppyPie also gives you access to helpful tools like chatbots, loyalty programs, and even integration with third-party services like Shopify or PayPal without any coding. It's designed for small business owners, entrepreneurs, and creators who want to digitalize quickly. There is a little catch. The free version only lets you preview the app, but if you actually want to publish it to the Google Play Store or the Apple Store, you're going to have to actually upgrade to the Pro version, which is around $16 a month, and that ranges around $192 per year, which is well below the $500 budget we have here. And that's pennies compared to hiring a developer. AppyPie is perfect for small businesses, restaurant menus, booking systems, and directories. Basically, if you want something simple, fast, and functions well, and doesn't need a lot of customization, AppyPie is the way to go. Next up is Bubble, a platform that lets you build full web applications with more control and power than most no-code platforms. Now this actually is a little bit more complex, and it's for the people who actually want to build a more complex app, not just a simple app like we did in the previous one. It's for people who want to build custom workflows, databases, and dynamic content. Think about apps like Trello, Airbnb, or Norton. If you want to build something like that, Bubble is definitely your next best friend. With Bubble, you start with a blank canvas, and they do offer templates if you do want to use them and you want to go that route. You design your app visually, dragging and dropping buttons like text fields and elements, but what makes Bubble stand out is its workflow engine. You can set logics like when the button is clicked, send this data to the database, then show this success message. Everything is customizable, from user login systems to entire backend logic. It also lets you build complex databases with relationships between entries, create user roles, build administration dashboards, and much more. And once you actually connect your own domain, you basically created your own SaaS. And the best part is it's free. You can test it, run it, do whatever you want with it. But once you want to actually publish it to the Google Play Store or the Apple Store, you have to upgrade to the Pro version. This one's a little bit more pricey, but that's because you're getting a lot more customization options and a lot more of your own touch. It starts around $32 a month, which equals around $384 a year, which is still below that $500 budget that we have. See, Bubble is actually perfect for those who want to create a social network, booking platforms, marketplaces, CRNs, and any other app that relies on structure or user workflow. It's got a little bit of a learning curve, but if you're willing to dive in, it's definitely a game changer. And finally, we got Adalo, a sleek, mobile-first, no-code builder. But now, while Bubble focuses on web apps, Adalo focuses on integrating and making the app feel like it's native to the phone. Adalo is ideal if you want an app with a polished user interface. It comes with a visual editor where you can link pages together with transitions, build beautiful layouts, and connect everything to real-time databases. It's similar to designing slideshows in PowerPoint, but instead of just clicking next, your buttons trigger real app functionality. And in this one, you can create task managers, chatbots, habit trackers, or even niche social networks. This app included things from builders, lists, login systems, and even in-app purchases. You also have access to components like sliders, switches, and even avatars, all of which can make your app feel more native to the phone and the user. Adalo's free plan actually lets you test and share your app before you actually make it public. This is perfect for beta testers. But if you want to publish it to the stores, you're going to have to upgrade to the Pro plan, which is around $36 a month, which equals around $480 per year, which is a little bit more pricey, but is definitely still below that $500 mark. Adalo is for the creator that wants to build an app fast that functions well, with minimal backend complexity, but maximum visual appeal. If your goal is a mobile tool, a social network, or a direct-to-user product, this is going to give you the cleanest and nicest look so far. So which platform is for you? Well, I mean, that all comes down to you and what you're actually trying to create and look for. If you want a simple booking app or just like a local business, I'd say go with AppyPie. It's more simple and less complex. Now, if you need something more powerful and more complex with a lot of interactions, I'd say go with Bubble. And if your app is meant to live on the phone and make it feel like it actually belongs to that phone, I'd say go with Adalo. All three platforms you start for free. Test your ideas, share it with other people, and only when you want to upload it to the store is when you upgrade. So you can test it for years, months, days, whatever you want to do, but once you want to actually upload it to the App Store, you're going to have to upgrade. There's no ifs, ands, buts, or whats. In my opinion, I'd say try all three and see which one fits best for you, and pick the best one that works for you and your workflow. Now look, building an app doesn't have to be expensive or impossible. With the right platform, a little bit of creativity, and some time, you can go from idea to app without a big budget. And if you liked the video, I would really appreciate it if you gave it a like and a subscribe. And also, if you used any of these websites, I'd really appreciate your opinion down in the comments down below. Catch you on the next one. But until then, build smart, build lean, and just be creative.